Let us present a new Erkon product. Thermal chip jumper TC1 is designed to remove heat from heat-generating components and is presented in three sizes: 0505, 0603 and 0805. Main features: electrically insulated heat conductor, low heat resistance, low capacity. Main advantages: temperature reduction of the heat-generating components by 30% and more. Ability to use a common heatsink for several components without additional electrical isolation. Possibility to provide high-density mounting. The product is used in power supplies, amplifiers, switching power supplies, synthesizers and various filters. Thermal chip jumpers are designed for surface mounting. Despite the simple design solution on the face of it, it effectively reduces the thermal loading in the components installed on the board. For detailed information about this product, as well as other Erkon products, please visit our website, the product section.